Hey guys, it's Tony. Good morning. Really quick video. CPI data did come back really well, not really good. It's more about it came back around 7%, which is kind of neutral bullish. At 8%, I was fully expecting another stock market and crypto dip, like a very strong crash. But 7% is like right in the middle before turning extremely bullish, right? So anything under 7% would have been extremely bullish. With CPI data coming back at 7%, I think it's neutral bullish. So I do think that helps the overall stock market and the overall, crypto market. That's why you see a big rebound on everything right now, and why you see the SPY jumping from 469 on close to 472 right now, and then why you see Bitcoin jumping from like 40K to almost $44,000. So as of right now, we've actually seen a jump in really everything. I think crypto has actually been doing extremely well. So damn, I can't buy crypto. What the heck? It's weird. But yeah, that's why you saw a nice little pump up there touching 44,000 on Bitcoin, is because the CPI news actually came back sort of neutral bullish. We see a slight retrace right now. I do not think that retrace is going to hold. I do think we're going to keep pushing towards the upside. You might see a drop back down to like 43.3, 43.4, and then a rebound, or you just might see a rebound to the upside like that. But as of right now, I am expecting Bitcoin to push closer towards $48,000. And I am expecting the S&P 500 to keep pushing to the upside as well, because the CPI data, like I said, came back neutral bullish. And I think for right now, the market is going to continue its rally up until the first interest rate hike. When that news comes out, then we can come back and rescale everything and talk about everything else. But as of right now, CPI 7%. I'm thinking it's neutral bullish, and that's why you saw everything kind of pop on the S&P 500 and Bitcoin and just like the overall market. So I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.